me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Yeah. Miss Baby careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
I party reach back in the room, yeah. And you know, me and Uncle Murphy them I did a whole little meds. I was really sharing some, you know, thought with him. And you know, it just dawned on me to say something. I always say this, you know, it's my favorite verse or, you know, little thing to say. That if you're watching this video and you have reached so far until you see this little clip here, I want to encourage you to hold strong. Because weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. I always have said that. And I've said it because of my past experiences on this journey of life. Weeping is not necessarily, when it's weeping may endure for a night, it doesn't mean like for tonight only. Your weeping can be for years. It may be your whole lifetime. But I want to tell you that analyze your span, your time span of weeping. Check yourself. Find out why you're weeping so long. Don't be like me who wept so long and didn't realize that I was the person to let go. Because I literally was holding on to nothing. What I was holding on to, it wasn't anything that needed to be held on to. That is why my weeping lasts so long. You know? So, make sure that it's not you holding on while the tears still flow. Let go from what you're to let go from. Let go of who you're to let go of. And let your weeping come to an end. I just want to encourage you to say that. Don't be like me. I held on and held on forever and forever. And I didn't realize that I was the one who was bringing I was bringing my tears. Because I was holding on to nothing. Feeling sorry for myself and all of that. Don't be like that. Never you feel sorry for yourself. Don't keep any pity party. Weeping may endure for a night. Whenever it comes and the weeping comes, weep, analyze yourself, and look at if it is something that you have got to do to let that weeping stop. Let go. Break off. Do it. Do it.